Hey, what's going on? Is your credit jacked up? Are you looking to get your credit repaired? But these credit repair companies are charging you anywhere from $1,500, $2,500 just to repair your credit. Yeah, it's tough. It's pretty tough out there, but we have a solution for you. We are wrapping up our DIY credit repair course, okay? And we are launching it very soon now. If you want to get involved for a nominal cost, we're going to launch a promo to where it's going to be dirt cheap. If you are looking for a credit repair course that's going to save you thousands, rather than paying that out to somebody for something you can do yourself step by step, please go ahead and register for your pre-orders, okay? You don't have to pay anything now. We're just getting a gauge of how many people are, ready and serious to get their credit repaired, and we're helping you take a load off, all right? So if you are interested in raising your credit scores, go ahead and submit your information, and once it's launched, you'll be first in line to get it at a low introductory price, all right? So let's go ahead and get your life together, get your credit together. It's 2024. Let's do the right thing, okay? So this is basically a gift that we're gifting out to you guys, all right? So let's get it together. Go ahead, sign up.